Today in the shop we're looking at a white lawn tractor. This is an LT1650 right there. LT1650 Hydro. The owner of this lawnmower said that his son kind of restored it and cleaned it up for them. I don't know what extent he went to, but it's a good running lawnmower. I just got done replacing just a little bit down here, these bits here, and under the hood, let's take a look. We've got a Briggs & Stratton opposed twin, 16 horsepower. There's the model number for the engine. Looks like maybe a 1999 if you're looking at the code correctly. The lawn tractor itself. This is the model number. Whoops, let's do this. Let's flip this over. And the model number is barely readable. So, but this is a hydrostatic transmission. Just press on the pedal down there, forward and backward pedal. Pretty basic. It does have a cruise control setting as well as a parking brake. All in all, it's in pretty good condition. So there it is, the white outdoor LT1650 Hydro.